a running mate for 16 years, vice president for 8 years. At least you should have something tangible for your people. Now, no ever the say concoma for say concoma for just such a tribal bigot.
Dominic Nitiwul ekekeke. When you said Dr. Baumia to one of bodies.
Me come so one is.
Enti sa papai anana oye defense minister. Edema Ghana. Wait. Just say okasakwa on two break.
And let's say all of dignity you be jina ho pa are concoma people proud of you.
And what ben
why can't you just campaign and tell people what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wants to do? Then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, everybody knows that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be a befit the camp and your own movie. Some diabolic meetings from you know what's movie. What the party mama chicken? About what's your other banana? What the good party mama party my basasi? Shaniama mona moye. It wouldn't plan bia wouldn't idea bia wouldn't be bia kuta say. And on Ababa Yama Ghana. What's the point? 2024 election. So now we can Trinity ama NPP for to be winning power. And yeah, NPP best winning power. You don't know what Agyapong beba. I'm not be power. Now Dominic Nitiwul no. Say obey resign here for NPP more. Or resign in fear because say who come apem beba no. Dominic Nitiwul kwada oye baako pe. What did you feel what? Maybe I know that Zumba for better tell us who cry a reason why I am to my NPP. You feel one bad but one my.
Abusia sa radio de wani kwache no no abo ken akompre ko Agyapong ne camp kamya yese wo mu ebo se ye pa ne nyina ene se owura Dominic Nitiwul no wo mu kyerese se wo no abo ken akompre ko Agyapong ewi ni flag bearership race ya wo mu ekoidia ene na no so enye adwasa fo ankwana ne political career no abawie wo no so political career abawie ne nyina ene tribal politics ya ekoso ewo NPP amanyokonim na wo mu kyerese video bi o mu nsa aka ya NPP fo ni bi kyerese tribal politics de enye enti wo munya na so wo mu se Nitiwul ejina ho na wo ye tribal politics na former vice president Dr. Muhammad Bawumia so tiachire na wo bo ne sem say share edema no se kamia se ono boken akompra ko Agyapong etimi ko wini de ene na Dominic Nitiwul wo man the political career ni baba ifi se enya asem ketwa kwa na ebeto no e wo party nebusua wo no boken akompra ko Agyapong the camp aba be so sa video no so afei ono boken akompra ko Agyapong so akan sem bi e de afa ho ye bekoni akwakotie na ye ko no e too much gh mesem se ubemi subscriber to say ya no akai se wo the girl no ebeka ho sa no upload nto on the first person ya won sa ebedi kan aka me se obren me enko tie se ne ensam no isitie
2024 election so na bu kana Trinity ama NPP for to be winning power and yeah NPP best winning power ye do na wo Agyapong beba am na be power na Dominic Nitiwul no se obey resign here for NPP mo or resign in fear because say who come apem beba no the Nitiwul kwada oye baako pe
what did you feel what
maybe I know that Zumba for better tell us who cry a reason why I am to my NPP you feel one bad but one my and let's say all of dignity you be jina ho pa are concoma people proud of you
and what ben
why can't you just campaign and tell people what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wants to do? Tell them election is about people's life and warfare. We are politicians. That's a whole list at the back of your mind that you don't have any space in the political arena. But you see, in a civilized country, you know, the Nippon here say waba many president, no man go for Abrabasisa. Anka Obama and Obama no man be the American president. What you say? But America for say when you're white American.
Yeah.
He didn't look at his background. But now almost saying someone who America.
He had a message.
Yes!
Specifically.
So somebody who has become a running mate for 16 years, vice president for 8 years. At least you should have something tangible for your people. And can say I'm for the training to us.
Yeah.
And coming vice presidency. But now can be below Dominic Nitiwul shamefully. Ejo how can say obey you. I can ba na nka quota so yo. Anka ko wale anka akuya 4 on top of the rice. Anka ya so mo shen. Me see ene anka ya see 5-star hotel or the saying wale e di ama wale chief kura anka nche Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. anka enanka walewale anka obu ho a ense se futuro walewale nanka ensho se obi be ni Ghana vice president to the krom na efesa no
yeah
nanka wo ba yen so be ni president ni enka msanku kenyina da form na sanantie we so because the man wa obeti ya yam na efe when scan hefa no ko si ni dancing ye ni dancing cry Dominic Nitiwul ni dancing cry
yeah no na dan me say dan wa papa na toto
what you say
Dominic Nitiwul
na no ever me chere say konkoma for say konkoma for just such a tribal bigot na mo jano na onam na onabu can be na no complain ya then people will come and attack him and let sasa
na Dominic Nitiwul ekekeke unim said Dr. Baumia te won oboni
me kom so oboni say me say Dr. Baumia and oboni say
ma yetie ni ehwe nkoma na odi no
everybody your part is under to pledge our support and work for you because all of us believe that you are the best. All of us believe that you are what Ghana is waiting for. All of us believe that when you are president, Mpapando will get something also bring home. Saboba will become a place and not promises. Saboba will be lifted up so that when I come to Saboba, I can also knock my chest and say, this is my own time. We are all going to support you. And like I said before, if every other community, Bimbila, Tatale, Zapsuku, Yenti, Nyam, Yoyo, Bunkurugu, Atebugu, Kintamposa, Pasa, Kachi Chumuru, Nkatasa, all of them, if they vote, if you 100%, we Concombers cannot claim ownership alone that we voted. We have big numbers. Some of them as many as 70% in some of these constituencies. But if we vote in these constituencies and we don't vote Saboba, the same will still be the Concombers to the vote. So we are going to use Saboba to let the people know that Concombers who have voted for you 100%. Because this is a place where Concombers are largely 99.9%. So as you go home, know that your brothers who are here, Concombers will support you. They will give you their support. They will not just vote for you in this election. In 2028, they will back you and make you president of the Republic of Ghana. And tomorrow, we want you to make sure that from Yendi to Saboba, from Bushiabu to Saboba, from Chipone to Saboba, from Bibila to Saboba, from Tatale to Saboba, from Sabusku to Saboba, when we come to these areas, we can knock our desk and say, yes, we have Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia do wonders in all these places.
Enti sa papai anana oye defense minister edema Ghana wait just okasa on two break and what kabun sa ha papa wait openi
Mr.
Dominic Nitiwul
enti won say papa ya okasa ya na semba last time eka na shamefully wako issue statement e ba be justify say be ono ankasa ni nsem okokeka o esiem ho na Ghana fo bebe enti sa asem we enti no ono abo ken ko gina cheni ya na okase enkufo bi di ni jasoro ho a omo kan ho asem aside say omo inciting for against on abo ken tribal politics and omo ye wọ́n sẹ́ nkọ́mọ́ ayé bi ní ntú aṣọ ní o ẹ̀nà òdìrà ọ̀sẹ̀ kọ́ńkọ́mọ́ fún ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ ẹ̀dá ọ̀bẹ tó àmà kọ́ńkọ́mọ́ fún ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ pẹ̀wá sẹ̀
kọ́ńkọ́mọ́ fún ọ̀sẹ̀
is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia going to be the Concoma president or is going to be the president of Ghana?
That's the right question to him.
Is he going to be the Concoma president? Is he most of us a nyanse ni mutim na na ku fo da hwe sa mo we yani mam na be defense minister
or a man
for man anymore about the big defense minister for 8 years okuma. God only knows his who will do your ministry was already. We have people with this mindset. You see, Dominic Nitiwul is inferior. You can't say. Just say until like I said all the time a person raising him to a certain standard. What I say? You can't inferiority complex. Or will be Dominic Nitiwul. Or will be. Until the strength is about such an amount of ceremony and a concomment. You can't comment for us to say. Unless a word of dignity you be and conquer people proud of you. And what why can't you just campaign and tell people what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wants to do? Tell them. Election is about people's life and welfare. We are politicians. That's a who needs way at the back of your mind that you don't have any space in the political arena. But you see, in a civilized country, you know. Jenipa ni hiya say waba be ni president no man kofo abra bosesa. Na owi ara ga tell say no hwe na dignity mu boni awaye oho. Na emo hwe me una one ka san price no obo se. Boni what are you? Then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, everybody knows that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be a be camp abanya onim obi. He has met people at your meetings and come on with the and at the bonny meetings any prime bonny my force said when the president obey one meaning the promise position. What is it? What I say? Some diabolic meetings from you know what you be what party mama chief about what you another no what the good party mama party my basase hweniama mo na mo amoye. It wouldn't plan bia wouldn't idea bia wouldn't be kuta same say and on about Ghana. That's the point. What I say? Every party know the numbers from 6 million to 4 million. What me can be bia what about convince Ghana for say wait no to aba mama the party nani. Mr. Nku me say udi sa Dominic Nitiwul mo politics e che o na se Nyankopon ama nyansa wano bepa because and someone look and then you look at them and say are these people humans than anybody? What you say? You see the new patriotic party NPP mpenifu angasa no SSM we strategic na mo hwe party ni ye na mo hwe party ni fortunes in future ya to about okum ha na mum about 2024 ekotu ye de obi ka say oh say who will be a certain police station will go and vote and you will not get one. And it is all because that we are a whole bone. We don't want somebody to lead the party until unify and Ghana for any number. You are not coming to become the president. I mean, using Samira West of certain part of Ghana. Now we just President, I want to go man for your best president will. President, I want to many one man for transit and to assembly. Your best president will. If people don't know, and your man course, my NPP 000 about 30 police stations. And what couldn't report them on Sunday and that's what I feel yeah, no best so called. It all depends on the power presenting a massacre for no. Let us give the people of Boku and its environs somebody obi only have it me pia montin abeye campaign amanipano obia Boku ikusasi for the man pussy for nyina e betimi akabom atu abama no ayan record zero and with that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia doesn't qualify and but that place alone I am telling you this time around we want to consolidate all our gains everywhere. We don't want to leave one police station. Number Constitution said before any president, we hear 50% plus a single one vote. We want that vote to come from the Kusasis. Yeah. One Kusasi man to come and give us plus one. We don't want somebody that represents Sinabaka said, we'll be back or two about the zero, baby. Now we will be out doing down a whole do party one. But this is what bow out. What make us on this out? and the children said to come the other baby.
Maybe
Never feel very alone disqualified.
One Kasa a press conference a bony days or count.
Before I be vice president, that's not so me, I will never fault the it doesn't matter video, but not all I want to say is
Smart gang up.
I Santini. Obi you should be see me. Me to be nyahoshe because you don't gas your money asante.
Yeah.
Enti Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, I don't know that time I go what it clear no about I can say bomb man bruisey and I come on man bruisey. What you say? I get naturally waba. But as long as I know Jews baby me fee. And to kwawo sab area. But the book of Sema me ha party ne keke.
Tete party no.
Sometimes we feel we abusu we say bia nipa me nka. But na ope only olu so asem ba ko so are ba ko gina ope na la say eyi omo de me konkon sa enti sa e ba sa san ko fo ni elu kra wo bi a wo timi fa emmewo
yes
enti at that point no wo kra say o twe ko fi sin
enu ano no
because na ku so na ku fo adonya mampuru si nya mampuru du nye ayi dagomba nya ko sa asemi wo nya zero mpo wo sa ko
ya bi
enti at the moment so still na ntokwa no e red flag to be to say dabi miniano adiewe ababa ntokwa me man prison ko za so don't am ka sa ma Dr. Mahmoud Bamia pen so but I record zero dawo and ya then na 2024 na me say zero ebem because na ni pana ka say the arrowhead no na no ho bon kun na wo me no me any man here entem me san fa hencha me so na metna me so that is the mentality of the people on to abaraman and a open secret say at the moment one of the tribes is empowered, you know, other side feels say this against them.
Yeah.
If you know there me
masem a me busa kwa say entokwa na ekoso eho.
Yeah.
Two groups entokwa mampusi kusasi.
Yes.
Eti se kusasi fo no e na nkwa nkoto a mampusi fo no nso anto adenti no nso anto yenya zero ewo ho na we na Dr. Brana Champon kan na yedna kosi baabi na ye sopa no
obi omo sopa mizenkum ene eye 22nd aka 9 days na December end 9 plus 31 40 sune ene ubotwa luto asengo 440 ubedi na sansem we na twatwa because by 7 p.m. 31st January no na upeu abubiro nkosua ade ready dey and said that obi na bu no be last time no or say that egg something that will prosper cannot go bad what I say if you are there hey me say ona mu kele Agyapong obi wi 31st January abeye NPP foforo say the yesu catch Nicodemus say si amfin so ne honhom anwo bia say nipa ne ntimi nhye nyankopon ahene mu 2024 election so na mu kana antwinity ama NPP for ntimi we ni power and NPP be say we ni power ye do na mo kele Agyapong beba am na be power na Dominic Nitiwul no say obey resign here to NPP mu a or resign in fear be man because say ukuma apem beba no Dominic Nitiwul kwa do oye ba ko pe
wadidi
ofin wa ni anom da zomba for beka tell say okra ye reason why na ye ntoma NPP ofin won ba beto ama ye
etabusia we ade ne etwago ewo NPP for ni titiru ene onabo Ken akompreko Agyapong ne camp ana ye de ababeso mo se me no e ka say the Dr. Mahmoud Bamia camp no womo emma meka hwe entabusia se koba ne say response bi efi ho e de ba ye besan aba na ye de ababeso mo mesre se obemia subscriber to me so too much gh all the social media handles no opiewa too much gh o subscriber like no wa share na afofo so enye bi ahwe dark gold enemy din makra